been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me.
Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. So today's video is a video that is sponsored by Couture Boutique. Make sure to stay through and watch all the video to find out for the surprise in the video, in between the video. So make sure you watch the video. I hope you guys like today's video, and I would just like to say thank you guys so much in advance. Now let's get into this video. Welcome back to the William fam. Yeah, welcome back. So I hope you guys are having a marvelous day so far. Today is the day. So just a little bit behind the scenes, maybe not too much. So today guys, I am finally doing my video demo for Couture Boutique. Yes, we're doing the demo for Couture Boutique, and we are launching on October 29th, 2021 at 1 p.m. Eastern. So if you're in Canada, the UK, whatever 1 p.m. is, in the US, whatever 1 p.m. is, all the Caribbean and the islands, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for the love and support on this channel. And also thank you for those that are supporting my other channel. We appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for the love and support. So today is launch, well, today is my video launch day guys. So I'm actually doing my demo. As you can see, I just finished showering and I'm about to go do my makeup and get myself together. And I guess you guys will see a little bit behind the clips, or if not, you guys will actually see the demo before you're seeing this. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoy the little clip, because these are going to be some of the pieces that are going to be launched on Friday, October 29th. So make sure you guys come and support your girl, and thank you guys in advance. Like, it's going to be nerve-wracking that day, but any business, it's going to be nerve-wracking at the start. You just gotta try and execute and do what you gotta do. So your girl is gonna go finish her makeup, and then I'm going to come back. I just started prepping because one of the shoots is actually in my bed that I'm doing, and yeah, so I'm just gonna utilize the space that I have. Unfortunately, I wanted to do something else, like some other stuff, but you know what? I'm going to scale down on money because I am very creative myself. And hey, today I'm gonna be my photographer, my videographer. Well, I got help, and makeup artist, hairstylist, stylist, everything in one, and just execute this how I want it to. I had some other ideas, but I don't know, maybe I'll save that for a launch day. I'm hoping. I don't know if it's in my budget, but we will see, because I'm not trying to overspend. So I'm just gonna see how that plays out. If not, then I'll just do something real simple for that day, just to launch the website. But yeah, thank you guys for rocking with us, and I hope you guys are enjoying the content. Yeah, so let's get into this video. So I just finished my look, and this is my look for now for my photo shoot day, my photo shoot and video day. So what you were seeing, so now I'm about to go do my hair. Yeah, I'm gonna go do my hair, and I also have somewhere to be. I'm supposed to be meeting up with somebody. So yeah, I'm also meeting up with another YouTuber today, so stay tuned for that. We'll see if we can catch some footage. I'm not sure what we're doing yet, if we're going out for lunch or something, but I will definitely keep you guys informed. But I'm going to go drink my ginger tea, and then yeah, I will show you guys what's up next. Change of outfit. I am ready to go. We ended up postponing to go meet up for a little bit later, so there is just the fits. Yeah, so I just got a shirt on, nothing too spiffy, and yeah, some jeans, and that is pretty much it. Hubby got home early from work, so I think he's gonna come with me and probably drop me, and then he's gonna go where he's going, or I don't know. We will see. We will see. So let's go, guys. So like I said, today is a busy day. I finished my the demo video for the website. Well, for the launch, I finished the demo, as you guys can see, and now I am off to go meet our special guest. Yes, so that is what I am up to currently right now. I'm just waiting on Mario, and then we've got to get out of here. Yeah. Yep. Well, it looks like the rain is coming down.
Rain supposed to fall all weekend.
All weekend? Oh, great. All right, so ooh, look at my handsome man. Ooh, all nicely shaved. Green lights. That's how I like to see a man. Nice and cut, clean, shave and all. Yes, ladies. Yes. Ladies and gentlemen. Freshly shaved.
What?
Wait a minute, what? That's
We are
how
talking about ladies and
women
gentlemen.
love to see their man. Nice, clean shave. Oh, it's from TikTok.
TikTok thing around here.
Oh my god.
Yo, run cast a minute though. Run cast.
Where are you?
Fool. You walk too fast.
You're so disgusting. You almost killed that the one there.
Me?
What do you mean, are you?
You walk from behind me.
No, I know you, I me. I know you, Mr. Williams, it's
I
me.
get 3 pints in a day.
Yeah, 3 pints. Is you? For you and 3 pints in a day.
I'm 9:30 back.
Oh my goodness. So it's been a exhausting day so far. Just running a little bit late now. Now I'm running late, right?
You're always
So,
late.
wait a minute, you're always late. No, I'm not always late. I was waiting on you. Huh? Him the cross and you across. Easy boy, easy, easy.
Yeah, man.
What?
Man.
No.
Cho.
Oh my goodness.
Run, man. You see how it like it, Cho.
Oh, you sure that woman? Oh my. Oh.
You leave a training.
Eh? Oh, the train. We should take the train and go to Montreal. I want to go to the ice hotel. Eh? No. I just want to go. Me and you and the kids and go just to experience it. No, I didn't trouble your mirror.
Next time, don't do it again.
Excuse you. What do you mean don't do? You should be glad I cleaned up the car.
You trouble my mirror a minute.
I didn't trouble the mirror. And I didn't
So-
hear you say thank you for cleaning up the car. What do you mean for what? You think you're there for your pretty
Look
looks?
how long you've been big girl.
Hello, now let me tell you about your parts. Don't let me tell you about your parts. And me I drive it? Or are you?
What? Are you driving it? That's even worse.
What?
Are you
No,
driving it?
I the drive off it to make sure the car is
No time
clean.
for it.
No time for what? That's an excuse. There is no excuse.
There's barely a time to clean the backside.
Cleanliness is godliness. What you say? You hardly have time for what? Be at your backside? No, sir. You know, say you know say that now
I
work
bet
with
you know
me.
that is here.
What is that?
I bet you know that is here.
I know that me here.
Yes.
So what me here
You
then?
never hear me say that.
What did you say then? So what you say?
Off the camera, me say it.
No, say what you say. When you off the camera, you say it. All right, let me turn off the camera.
Okay, she said A is full. Go that way. How about we have a... Okay.
All right, so I'm finally at the mall,
Oh, yes,
and
yes,
look who it is. I told you that I had somebody special up in the video. We finally meet up. We were supposed to meet up in Jamaica, but
Yes.
life got busy, and we've made several plans, but it never happened. But finally, we're back in Toronto, and we're able to meet up.
Yes.
This sounds like Christmas music, and it's Halloween.
Does it?
Oh
Yeah.
yes, the music that they're playing is like Christmas
Guys.
music.
My face
So-
looks so fat for some reason.
No, your face looked gorge. Oh, I thought my face looked fat. I thought I put on some pounds.
No, you
But
look
we
good.
finally meet up, and I thought that she was like 5'9", but like I said, guys, the camera can be very deceiving.
I thought she was taller than me the whole entire time. I was like,
Very
oh, I like your height.
deceiving.
You're probably taller than me. But your height's still good. I'm only
But you
one.
could be a model, just like the guy said. Yeah, modeling. Any modeling agency out there?
Modeling
Well,
is such hard work.
I know.
Because even when we take our photos for Instagram, isn't it so hard? Like,
It-
okay,
it
what
is.
pose to do? Like, do I
It
look
is.
stiff? And-
Considering what I was just doing, Fate's like, Mom, like this is how much different outfit you just switched in and out. I was like, I have to get this done because I have a day and that's it. Content day, we gotta get everything done.
literally.
So, and if you guys don't know who she is, announce your name and your channel.
Okay, Anisha Adams. You guys can follow me on Instagram at Anisha.Adams and YouTube Anisha Adams. I do a lot of Jamaican-based, lifestyle-based
Yes,
videos.
guys. And if you want to know how to move from either the States, the UK or Canada to Jamaica, she has those videos, and I will definitely link her channel in the comments below, in the description, and it will be on here.
Ooh, I like
so
the
check
quality.
it out.
This quality's so
Yeah,
good.
the quality is nice. Hey, but I'm gonna upgrade. So we are trying to figure out what we're going to do, whether we're gonna go get food
Yeah.
or we're gonna go have a drink or something. But for now, we're just touring, and
Yeah.
everybody's there staring at us. But that's okay.
Let me.
That's the vlogger
Yeah,
life.
let us know down below if you guys want more videos with us.
Yes,
And
definitely.
Yeah, we'll do that for you guys.
Hey, look, we're rocking the autumn hair color. I
Right?
didn't
Oh
even
my
realize
gosh.
that. And we got the black, the fit on, even though I'm only partway black. All right, so we're gonna figure out what we're going to do, and yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit.
Yeah.
So we're at the chocolate factory.
Cheesecake.
Oh yeah, we're at the cheesecake factory. Oh my goodness.
Oh,
Yes, we finally get a seat, and it's Oliver first time here. Yeah. So the first time for everything. You should see my other one. I could probably not have no makeup on and put it back on. That's the only thing I hate about mask. Oh my gosh. So Mr. Picky Eater here, we're gonna
he's
see.
picky?
Yeah, he
Oh
is.
no.
So we're gonna find out what he's going to eat, and yeah, pretty much go from there.
Okay, they have lemonade here.
So we got some bread. You on diet?
I'm just joking.
I'll try it. We'll see how it goes. Guys, so this is a guava daiquiri.
Where are the cupcakes?
And which one is yours?
I don't remember.
Oh no. I shouldn't remember what she got. Yeah, I wish the martini glasses were a little bit bigger. They're a little bit small, but well, I don't know what type of they're supposed to be martini glasses, but they're supposed to be bigger. Right, guys. So here we go. So we got, what is this now? Coconut
cream
and we also have your regular strawberry, regular
looks the
daiquiri,
best.
and you have the Oreo cookie.
And it's so much chocolate. I didn't want
So we're
much
about to dig in and eat.
Once you say Oreo, you know it's chocolate.
Yeah, but I thought it was one layer. They made it seem like it was only gonna be one little layer.
So babes, can I try yours first? Why? Just a piece. Look. That was one that with cream part.
That's not mine, that's yours.
You don't want it?
Oreo is yours.
You eat it. It tastes good.
Okay, do you want a piece of mine?
Don't taste bad.
Take the bigger piece.
Why?
Does not taste
Put it there
bad.
and you put that and put it on yours. Make sure you take the bigger piece.
Look, these guys are sharing. Sharing is caring.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get fat.
I need to
That's
put on
what
some
females say, not males. That looks like a swirl thing of poo.
weight. Right? I was thinking that,
Why
but
you
we
do
were
that
never
part?
we were eating, so I didn't want to say it. You cut it. It's your cheesecake. I feel weird.
You're right.
Cut
Cut
it.
it.
So you want me to take the bigger slice? You want me to
Yeah.
take- Are you sure?
Yeah, because you gave him the bigger size. Here, let me taste your swirl of.
It's up hard.
Ooh, that tastes good. Damn.
It tastes really good.
Yours? Yeah.
You want it back?
Oh shit. Tastes good.
It's sweet. Like
You gotta
you
just
said.
wash it down.
Yeah, just like you said, it's sweet, but it's good.
Oh shit. Add the whipped cream to it. Gotta take your time and eat.
Girl, I don't know what that means. I eat so fast.
So here's Mario making a mess of his food.
Really,
I feel like I'm eating just all whipped cream.
And then here we got the what is this? The mac and cheese, fried mac and cheese balls. So we're all about to go eat one.
I want none of that.
What do you mean? You're gonna try one and let me know how it tastes. We will come back and let you guys know how it tastes.
We're not gonna do.
We are going in for the kill, guys. Look at Mario's looking.
Is that garlic in it? Taste it, make sure.
So
I'm allergic to garlic.
no, you're not.
I never know if he's being serious or not.
Mmm.
I feel like my belly's gonna run eating all
I
this
can
stuff.
smell it.
Yeah, Ray, it's strong, don't it?
Yeah,
Right.
garlic.
Where?
I can smell it.
Yeah, probably a little bit of garlic.
Maybe just eating. Mmm. Tastes good. I like it.
Deathly allergic to garlic.
No, he's not allergic to garlic.
If I'm eating something and garlic
Look at
come in my mouth,
You don't like it?
everything.
You're not gonna taste it then.
He psychs himself out. That's what it is.
You're not gonna taste it. Do you like it? Okay, let me try it. Hold on, let me wash this down.
What? Okay, guys. Well,
gosh.
that was a nice little outing. We had a nice lunch. Was it lunch? No, it was more like appetizer and stuff. Mario has a doggy bag.
Me, I'm make sure that's not for me doggy, but
Well-
yeah, and when you go home, you don't touch it.
What? What do you mean when I go home, don't touch it? It's my doggy bag.
So come off for me. How come it's mine?
Oh my god, you see you love you talking? So we are on our way, and Anisha, it was a blessing meeting you. Very nice meeting you. Yeah, we had a nice outing. Oh, it's always nice to meet new people. I love it. You know, it's always nice. Oh, safety. Wait, Mr. Williams, word. Don't drive off.
What?
Did I clap my hand?
Why? No, you're not singing.
Wait a minute. No, you're not singing. Lord.
Where is the exit?
Okay, we are ready to go to Jamaica.
Where's
Where's the
the
exit? I think you could go back the same way you're coming from.
I'm thinking.
Did I leave that? Oh, I was like, did I leave that plugged in here? Okay. So, I had.
Shabalat.
So, you had a good day, babe?
Hmm?
Everything is free. Oh, buy one, get one free. Ooh.
What? Where is it at?
Didn't you see the big sign?
Are you not going there?
Oh, gosh.
Are you low sales though?
I know, eh? Girl, love her sale.
Mine I look for your trench coat, but me not see none. They short.
Wait a minute, you probably didn't go into the right place.
Yeah, but me not time for that.
Yeah.
Me
Well,
look for a long one will reach me. Like,
yeah. Well, we can go.
Like,
We can look, or go look online.
but no one buy nothing online.
I know you want.
Me
Well,
want
we can
try
come back
on-
here.
me
We
want
could come back
try
here.
on.
We'll come back here a different day, and we are going. Well, we're heading. Where are we heading? Heading home now, and yeah, we will see what the rest of the day have in store for us. It is Thanksgiving weekend, baby. We got a busy day ahead. I think. Well, tomorrow we have another busy day. So yeah, we're just gonna head home now. So we'll see you guys soon. Guys, we literally just got home. I am exhausted. I don't feel like doing anything else for the rest of the night. More than just strip down, take a shower, well, eat some food, and yeah, relax. Put on my nice comfy loungewear and relax. I am tired. Thought about maybe me and babe going to go play pool later, but he have to go count me out of that the one day, so I might have to go play by himself, or he can just stay at home and relax with me. What do you say, babes? What do you say? Snackums? Mm-hmm. What do you say? You go chill at home with me and relax? Mm-hmm. What do you mean?
She, I told you.
No.
No.
Don't know me.
I just say no.
Really, babes? Which one of these do you want? Out to this one or this one? Here, how about we split this one in half and each get one of those?
What is it?
For O'Shea.
You don't wanna. Whatever.
We'll split this in half and then each one get one of these coconut ones.
Where you get this in?
I just bought it. Look at you draining it all over the bed. Mr. Williams, you see, look at this. See?
What? What let me do it?
So you just did that. Oh my gosh, all over my white sheet, Mr. Williams.
No.
Yeah, so that's what we're going to do. We're not doing much for the night, but yeah, that's about it. So, woo, come on, Zoom. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, guys. But if we don't come back, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, baby, your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for you. And I'm losing my mind for the days. Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you love me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you, crave your hands all over me. No, I'll never let go. Cause now I'm falling for love. Now I'm falling for love. Cause now I'm falling for you. Cause
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to tell a friend to come and join the Williams fam. While it is always a vibes over here. I will catch you guys in the next one. Stay blessed, guys.
They are not our fears we see. No one will left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us and me could be the wife for you. That in the past how we pass it just like an interlude. How they meet, how them greet is like real life an interview. That in the days I know it's every day.